Have you ever come across such an amazing maths problem, and can you work it out with your offhead without using the calculator? Worry not, I will show you how to work it out within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with the solution. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So now we have 5 to the power of x, then add to 5 to the power of x is equals to 250. So we are asked to find the value for x. So the first one, we shall have to factorize the 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x. So here now we shall have 5 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 250. So in case now we've written this in place of this. So now we shall now have 5 to the power of x into bracket, so 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 250. So next now we shall have to divide both sides by 2. So here by 2, this side also by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now we shall have 5 to the power of x is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 250 is 125. So now we shall have 125. So for us to get the value for x, we need to use the log on both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of x is equals to the log of 125. So assuming that we have the log of x to the power of p, this one can also be interchanged and written by p, the log of x. So similarly, we can write the log of 5 to the power of x by now having x, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 125. So from here now we shall divide both sides by the log of 5. So here the log of 5, then also this side shall also divide by the log of 5. So log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. So now our x is equals to the log of 125 all over the log of 5. So from here now we shall now check and see the common factor that can divide 5 and also 125. So let's speak it out. So in this case now we shall have, so now x is equals to, so the log of, so 125 is equals to, so 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, then 25 multiplied by 5, so our answer now shall be 125. So now we shall have 5 to the power of 3. So now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of 3 all over the log of 5. So this one can also be written as x is equals to 3 log 5. So 3 the log of 5, then all over the log of 5. So from here now we shall pick as log 5 and log 5 shall cancel each other. So now our value for x in this case is equals to 3. So that is how we work it out. But you can still confirm if that is the correct answer. So let's now confirm it. So initially we had 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x. So we can confirm it. 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equals to 125. So here now we shall pick as 5 to the power of 3. Then we write x, instead of writing x, write 3. Then plus, so 5 here, now 5 to the power of 3 is equals to 125. So that is 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. So 25 multiplied by 5, then now shall get our answer as 5 times 5 is 5, then sure, it is 250. Sorry about that, it is 250. So 5 to the power of 3 is 125 plus 125, which is equals to 250. So that means that our answer is correct. So when you check this maths problem and you confirm, that is what you shall get. So I want us to stop there and see you in our next video.